Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across a proxy server connection failed error on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward fix for you guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start this tutorial off by opening up the start menu. Just left click on the start button one time, type in control panel. Best match should come back with control panel. Go ahead and left click on that. Set your view by up here to category view, and then select network and internet. Now that you were underneath network and internet, select internet options, so go left click on that. Select the connections tab, and then select the LAN settings button. Now you'll want to uncheck if this box is currently checked where it says use a proxy server for your LAN. Disconnect that, so just uncheck that box. Simple as that, not too much involved. And then once you are done with that, also make sure automatically detect settings is enabled or checkmarked, and then select OK. You can select apply and OK again to save the change out of there, and then close it here. Attempt to launch the web browser again, whatever links you're having an issue with, and that should hopefully resolve your issue. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.